Hey guys, this is Naman sharing about WordPress and freelancing, and in today's video we are going to overview the WordPress dashboard. So without further ado, let's start this video. For that we will log into our WordPress dashboard, and once we log in we can see this left toolbar with the following options, and in this video we will overview these options one by one. So let's start. The very first one is Home under Dashboard. In this option we can see some shortcuts like adding a new page, opening the editor, or editing the styles. And next we have some panels like checking out the site health, checking out what we have in the website like one post, two pages, one comment, a quick draft panel, like suddenly if you got something in your mind and you want to note it down, then you can write here and save it as a draft. And next we have a WordPress event and news section. In this section WordPress update their users regarding to their events. And next we have activity. Under this panel we see the comments that we are getting on the website. And next we have an empty box. We can easily drag these panels and drop them to the other boxes. This is what everything we have in the home option. If we scroll up and we can see a screen options. If we click here, and if we want to clean up our dashboard, then we can just uncheck all of these options, and we will see that now our WordPress dashboard is neat. So it's up to you how you want to see the things in your WordPress dashboard. Next we have an option of updates. Under this option we will see all the things needs to be updated, like the WordPress version which is currently 6.0, which is the latest one. And next the plugins and themes, currently everything is updated, that's why there is no notification. Once anything needs to be updated, you will start seeing that notification here. Next we have an option of post. Under this option we will see the number of posts we have. This hello world post comes with the default WordPress installation, and if we want to add more posts we will just simply click on add new and add our new post. Under this we have an option of adding categories, for example, if we are writing about pets on our WordPress website, and now I want to create 3 different categories like dogs, cats and parrots, then I will go to this category option and make these 3 categories. Similar to the categories, we can also create tags for our posts. Next we have media option. Under this option we will see all assets like whatever we will upload, images, audio, video, documents, spreadsheets, etc. And if we want to add a new media asset, then we will just simply click on add new and select that specific file from our computer and upload into our WordPress. Next we have pages. Similar to the post, if we click on pages we will see the number of pages we have on our WordPress. And as we can see, the default WordPress comes with the 2 pages. One is the privacy policy and the second one is sample page. If we want to create a new page, we will just simply click on add new page. Next we have comments. Under this option we will see the comments. This sample comments comes with the default WordPress installation. So if your site is a kind of blogging website and you allowed your users to comment on your website, then once your user comment on any content, you will start seeing that specific content under this section with the following options like unapprove, reply, quick edit, spam and trash. Next we have very important option which is appearance. Under this we have theme, from where we can select a theme we want to activate on our website. The default WordPress installation comes with the 2022 theme, and if we want to add a new theme we just simply click on add new, search that theme and activate on our website. Next we have an editor option. If we click on this, it will redirect us to the screen where we can edit our default theme. And next we have plugins. Similar to the themes, if we go to the plugins we will see all the plugins we have currently on our website. Right now there is no plugin, and in the same way whatever plugin you will install you will see that plugin here, and if you want to add new plugin we will just simply click on add new and search that plugin and activate on our WordPress. Next we have a users option. Under this we will see all the users currently we have in our WordPress. I am the only admin of this WordPress, that's why you can see this one user. Let's suppose you are a team of 4 members like editor, designer, developer and administrator. then you will add all those members, and you will be able to see all those 4 members here. And if you want to add a new user, you will just click on add new. It will ask for username, email, and first name, last name, and then a password, and then the role. So this is something that only administrator can do. Next we have a profile. Under this we can customize or this WordPress dashboard. Like the main thing is just changing the color. So if you want to change color from this default WordPress color, so it's up to you how you want to see the WordPress dashboard. Next we have show toolbar when viewing the site. So this is something, if you uncheck this and view your website, you will not see this top black bar. Next we have language. So site default language is English, and whatever other language you want to select, you will just select from the drop down. Here I can change my nickname. We cannot change the username. Next I have the email and the website URL, and here I can set my profile image too and set a new password as well. So next we have tools. Under this, if you want to do custom coding, then you can go with the plugin editor and the theme file editor. If you click here, you will able to see the code where you can make custom edits. And there are 2 more important options like import and export. If you want to import and export the pages, post and media files from one WordPress and want to upload them to the other WordPress, then these options are very useful. Next we have settings. Under settings, first we have journal. So in the journal we have site title, tagline, or website URL, and WordPress address, and then administrator email, and then anyone can register. If you're making blog and have a subscription form, then you can check in this and make this role as a subscriber. Then we have a site language, and then we can set the time zone, date format, and time format. Next we have writing. Under this we have nothing special, so just a default post category default, which we not change even with the new WordPress installation. Next we have reading. This is something important. If we visit our website currently, we will see our latest post. As we know, our post is hello world, but once we start developing our website, we will change this to the static, and then we will select the page we want to show as a home page. So in our case right now we have only 2 pages. Let's select the sample page and click on save changes. And now if we refresh our website, we will see that specific sample page as a front page of website. So next we have blog pages at most, how many posts we want to show on the blog page maximum. Next we have discussion. So this option is important for you if you are making any blog website where users should able to subscribe your website, and like this is something relevant to allowing users to comment on your website, to make an account your website. Next we have media. This is very basic, that it determines dimensions of assets you are uploading on your media. And then we have permalink. This is something important. Once we after every new WordPress installation, we set this to the post name, and because we want our users to see the page name, like my name is demo.demonwebs, then if I make a page with the name of pet food, then it should say pet food right after my domain name, not like p is equal to 123. So it should be set to the post name. And next we have privacy, which is something related to the WordPress privacy. And next we have collapse menu, which will close your left toolbar. So we just covered the complete menu from the left toolbar of the WordPress. So I hope this video will help you in learning WordPress. And if you want to see a video on any topic related to WordPress and freelancing, feel free to let me know in the comment box. And if you like the video, like and subscribe.